Hello students, welcome to this class. In today's video I will be talking to you about how to locate a subject when you have a prepositional phrase. I also wrote a note for you that says a subject of a verb will never be found in a prepositional phrase. So when you want to locate a subject and you have a prepositional phrase, you must ignore the prepositional phrase for the time being, okay? The first one says, some of the students are not in the classroom, okay? We have the prepositional phrase in the classroom, okay? Are not, some of the students. We have an indefinite pronoun some, and then we have another prepositional phrase here, of the students. Okay, are not in the classroom. We have another prepositional phrase, but the subject here is this indefinite pronoun, some, which can be singular or plural, but since it refers to the students, a plural noun, we must use a plural verb. Okay, so you can see that the verb agrees with its subject, which is some, the indefinite pronoun some. Okay, some of the students are not in the classroom. The next one says, the marketing department agrees on changing its strategy. The marketing department agrees on changing its strategy. We have a prepositional phrase here. And well, we have, this is really easy. This one is very, very easy. The marketing department is a subject. It is a singular subject. So, agrees, the verb agrees with its subject. Okay? So it is very, very simple to locate a subject when you have a prepositional phrase. Simply ignore the prepositional phrase and go to the preceding pronoun or noun. Okay, you see the indefinite pronoun some, and then you see the prepositional phrase. Ignore this for now and say, okay, some are not in the classroom. Say, okay, this is a subject, because in this prepositional phrase there is no way you can have the subject. Okay, well, next I will give you some practice sentences and examples so that you can, of course, keep practicing with me. Now you are going to help me underline the subject in these sentences. As you can see, I drew a box around except and but. Those are two less recognizable prepositions. But is also a conjunction. And it can also be a preposition when used to, for example, to make an exception. For example here, all ESL learners but Thomas are learning English. Okay? But Thomas, it is not working as a conjunction. Well, it could be working as a conjunction also, but it is also to make an exception. So this makes it a preposition. All ESL learners but Thomas are learning English. Okay? It is a less recognizable preposition, but it changes this into a prepositional phrase. All of this. But Thomas are learning English. Alright? So you cannot find the subject in the prepositional phrase. You have to look up here. All ESL learners. Which of these words do you think is the subject? All ESL learners. ESL learners. You could say all too. All ESL learners would be the subject. But Thomas are learning English would be the prepositional phrase. Right? So the next one says everyone. We have again an indefinite pronoun, everyone. Everyone except Sarah is learning English. Except is also another preposition. So that means that the words that follow complete or complement the prepositional phrase, except Sarah is learning English. Okay? So everyone here would be the subject. The indefinite pronoun everyone. All is also an indefinite pronoun. Okay? Alright, so this is the way you locate a subject when you have a prepositional phrase. You must ignore the prepositional phrase momentarily and focus on what precedes the preposition. Everyone except Sarah is learning English. All ESL learners but Thomas are learning English. Alright? Some are less recognizable. Also between, okay, but, except, among. Some prepositions are kind of hard to recognize. But you can get a list from a dictionary or from the net. Okay? Next, I will leave you some homework. Remember that you need to practice as much as you can. For homework, you are going to write 4 sentences using prepositional phrases and put the subject in parentheses. Okay? Remember to do your homework in the comment section below this video, along with any comment, suggestion, or question you may have. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it is of help to you. And well, if you know anybody else who needs to learn English or who is having trouble on a specific topic, please tell them to look up our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.